what's up? John Sonmez from SimpleProgrammer.com. So I thought I would do a video talking about something that I'm working on that I'm super excited about, that I realized, hey, I should be letting you know, those of you that watch his YouTube videos, about, because it probably would be interesting to you, right? Sometimes I forget that not everyone who watches the YouTube videos follows the blog and vice versa and whatnot. So what I'm talking about here is I am putting together what I'm calling tentatively, and maybe this will be the final name because you know me in Ship It the First Draft, is a book called The Complete Software Developer's Career Guide. So The Complete Software Developer's Career Guide. And well, if you just want to skip to this, if you don't want to hear me talk about it, just go right here. You can click and sign up right away, and you'll get it for free. Get the chapters dripped out to you via email for free. I'm basically releasing each chapter on the blog, so go click that. If you want to hear about it, stay tuned. So anyway, what am I putting together? What is this whole thing? So I've written a pretty well best-selling book called Soft Skills, The Software Developer's Life Manual. There's both an audio version and print version. Has been translated to multiple languages, right? This has been popular, and so I decided it's time to write another book. But this time I wanted to write still not a technical book, but a book that was more focused on career. Because when I wrote Soft Skills, a lot of you said, you know, I like a lot of the other stuff that's in the book, but I was really super interested in the career stuff. I wish there was more of that. So I said, well, let me write a book that is totally the career stuff that will take you through. And also, not only that, but so many people have said, hey, I don't know how to get started as a software developer. I don't know how to like get my foot in the door and get started, and I don't know how to get a job, my first job, and how to even go about learning software development, and what path do I take, where do I go? And I'd really like to do this kind of stuff. So I wanted to address that. And then there's also this whole like huge amount of information that you need to know as a software developer. So I kind of wanted to like give you all those topics. And then there's this second half, like second half career, is you've already got a job, you're already a successful software developer. Maybe you filled in some knowledge gaps here from the things you should know, but now how do you work in the environment? How do you like function as a software developer to be effective at your job, to do the best job, to be productive, to do all these things in your career and make the best of your career? And then this final step of, okay, now you're working with your coworkers, you've got the job, you know, I want to advance, I want to get to the next level, I want to get a raise, I want to get a promotion, I want to go beyond, I want to advance my career. I don't necessarily want to become an entrepreneur, but maybe I do. But I want to go out there, and how do I get speaking gigs, and how do I like promote myself more, and not just marketing myself, but really advancing on the career path. So what I've decided to do, and that's why I call it the Complete Software Developer's Career Guide, is take the whole thing. I'm going to just address this whole thing. It's going to be a big book. It might be 2 volumes. You know, I've already got what's it, like 30 chapters written, 29 chapters or so, and I'm probably about halfway done, maybe a little bit more. Anyway, it's going to be big, right? And what I want to do is release this. I'm putting it out on the blog, each chapter. They're sort of preview chapters because it hasn't gone through the full editing process. I'm still looking for feedback as well. But I think this is going to be, you know, a really good project. I'm having fun writing this. I think this is going to be really useful. So anyway, check it out. Go click here. Just sign up, you know, via email if you haven't already, and you'll get the chapters, right? All the chapters I've released so far, you'll get them 1 a week, and you can start reading through those chapters. You know, if you are a beginner, if you're just starting out, if you're trying to transition to software development, you're going to find those early chapters, early sections of the book to be extremely useful. I answer there's tons of questions and just dissect this whole, should you go to a coding boot camp? Should you go to an interview? Or should you know, self-taught, should go to college, and all this stuff, and how to get a job and things like that. If you're already experienced, you might find, you know, a lot of this stuff useful as well. And then the later section of the book is going to be more appealing to you. But I would encourage you to sign up anyway, just so you get the updates. At some point when the book goes for sale, you'll have the option to buy the whole book, so you won't have to wait every single week. You know, I know some of you don't want to do that. And of course, you can check out the book on the blog. But definitely, you know, I'll put the link here again. Click here and sign up. Do it now. like if you're even remotely interested in this book, because I'm giving you the chance to get it for free now, essentially get the content for free. Again, it's not the final format. There will be like a nice, I'm probably going to make a print book version, an Audible book, an audio version of it as well, but here's your chance to get it, look at an early look at it, get a lot of the content, and possibly give some feedback if you want. So again, sign up, go check it out. You got nothing to lose there, and let me know if you're interested in this. Give me some thumbs up here if this sounds like a cool idea. You would like this, right? If you don't like it, put a thumbs down. That's fine. But if you do like this and you think this is a cool idea, put a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Definitely sign up. I'll put that link up one more time because I think it's so critical, and I really do want to get your feedback, and I want you to get a chance to see the book here, especially to be able to read it for free if you want. So anyway, that's it. Just thought I would share that with you. It's my latest project. I'm working on it about an hour every day and making steady progress, and like I said, I'm about halfway through. So anyway, I'll talk to you next time. Take care.